do was doing multiculturalism, an interactionist analysis of the practices of a multicultural sorority. And this research article was written by Janice McCabe. It was in the June 2011 Journal of Contemporary Ethnography. The research question in this article was how sororities diversify not only their chapters but also the campuses. The main hypothesis was sororities can help promote multiculturalism on the rest of the campus, but they can also have a hand in making it worse. The independent variable on this study was the different sororities promoting the multiculturalism, and then on the other hand, the dependent variable was the multiculturalism changes. The methods in this research article was the researchers asking members one-on-one questions about this topic. She also looked at older written works and documents and histories of the different sororities to look at the different races and ethnicities that might have been in it before it, and just to get a general feel of the histories of each one. She also observed the different races and ethnicities that were inside of the chapter, so the different women that were different than the majority group. She also observed them. The subjects in this research article were the different women and members in the sororities. She also not only looked at the different women, but each different chapter has different values, rituals, and beliefs, so that kind of changes from chapter to chapter. To collect data, she got to sit in some chapter meetings. She also got to do small interview groups with the women. She did one-on-one questioning, and she also went to many of the multicultural promoting events that were held by the different sororities to see what they were doing and how they were teaching the rest of the campus their knowledge. Her results from the study was that she found that the women in the sororities put multiculturalism into action by acknowledging and valuing a range of racial, ethnic, and cultural and lifestyle differences among themselves and others. So what they learned from themselves inside their own chapters, they took what they could and they tried to teach it onto their own campus. Some of the ethical concerns of this study would be just violating the women's civil rights with the questioning and how she asked and who she asked. Also the confidentiality of each of the women, and also the confidentiality of all the chapters with the ritual secrets and different beliefs. An element that would most interest a sociologist would be the multicultural interaction and how each one of the chapters promoted it outside onto their campuses and how they tried to make it better. Another social scientist that would be interested in this article and what it talked about would be a behavioral psychologist, because they could analyze the different sororities' behavior towards the multiculturalism interaction and how it worked. Another research method that could be used for this particular research article would be a survey, so she could get it out to more people and have more results. For the general public, this article shows that multicultural interaction happens every day in our society, in small groups and in large groups.